morning, guys. Okay, it's a long journey. It's been 7-8 months in Pragathi, and I'm just getting started. That's what I feel every other day when I'm here. Now, Piedpiper Events, like she talked about the story, I would share about how we build a long-term relationship with our friends. You know, that's how Piedpiper is. He mesmerizes those kids and the rats and takes them with them. So, as an event management company, we look at adding that magic in every event. So, what did you guys feel the moment you entered the hall? Were you guys surprised? Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we bring in any event of ours. This is what we love to create. And we started off really young. Like I and myself, we started off 10 years back. The moment I saw magic in events, the moment I saw people really happy with what we do, the smiles that come on their faces, that's what started giving me a kick, and Sarah as well. And that's how we started off Piedpiper Events. And after 10 long years, I get goosebumps. We've achieved this. We've featured in as one of the 25 top businesses promising services and products in India, CEO Insights. And the guys with us, the companies who featured with us are Brigade Group, who are our clients. Then we have Voltas, we have a lot of other companies who are big companies who are featured with us. So how did this happen? So in the past 1 year, we've been learning a lot, and it's the long-term relationship that we build with our clients. So I will move on to the categories, the kind of events that we do. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll add a few incidents with each of the category. So the first category that we do a lot is conferences. So we do a lot of conferences for associations. So I'll share a small incident with one of our clients, and the association is iSpirit. About a year back, she had some issue with one of her event manager, and then through a reference she came to us. We met her at the venue and we did the first event. So by the way, these are my HNI clients, and it's like top-notch events, and it has to be perfect. And so after this event was executed, till now, it's been a year, we've done about 12 events for her. And not once we have met the client before the event. It's always like this. She sends us a requirement, she says this is the requirement, this is what has to be done, and it's executed. And we look forward for a long-term relationship with her. Now coming to corporate events. So for a corporate, we do their annual day, we do their sports days, we do team outings, we do a lot of training programs also for them. Now I have two clients. One is Aroba Networks. Recently we backed them, and Novo Nordisk. So these two clients, again, some issues with another event manager, they contacted us, and guess what? We got Hawaiian to their office. So it was a Hawaiian theme, and both these clients were really happy with our work. And in less than 2.5 months' time, they gave us 2 events back to back. So as a company, this is what we look at. And with corporates, this year, in the first 2 months, we finished 20 lines.
Wow.
So that's the kind of long-term relationship we are looking at. And talking about the third, category, it is again schools, dealing with a lot of children. So here, this is again like a 9-year-old relationship with this client. They're called Kodar Jumbo Kids. So we started doing their kids' first birthday, then did 2 annual days for them, where each annual day had 35 schools. And this September, we are doing a very big conference for them with about 500 different schools across India coming together. Coming to our last and final category, again very close to my heart, is wedding planning. And here I'll share another incident. So here we did the engagement, and we did her wedding about 3 years back. And after that, for her sister's wedding, her parents got back to us. So they called us for the second daughter's wedding, and they were so happy that we are like family to them. And every time the dad doesn't pronounce Sarah's name properly, he calls her Tara. So the moment we go there, we are like family to them. And ladies and gentlemen, the moment the event was done, the wedding was done. So we went to his house, definitely payment time. So yeah, we got the payment, we were happy. But this gentleman called us and he was like, though I am like this, I couldn't do much. But you made sure my daughter's wedding was amazing. That, ladies and gentlemen, just I get goosebumps. So that takes us off, that sweeps the floor out of our feet. So, and I have to thank my team. Like a couple of them are missing, but they did an amazing job with all the decor and stuff. And guys, I have a surprise for you. Guys, game for a surprise?
Yes.
I can hear you.
Yes.
So after this session, we're going to have a photo. That's a photo booth basically. You have a lot of props. You can pick them up, get some pictures done, and have a lot of fun. Hey people, I'm Vivek here, business head at Piedpiper Events. I'm so happy. Today was my 8-minute presentation at BNI Pragathi, and we had some awesome fun. And today also calls for celebration because we were featured at CEO Insights as one of India's top and promising businesses, and that's a huge achievement. So let's see what my friends have to say about this. Thank you.
The moment I entered the hall, the whole setup was beautifully done. It was looking like a wedding hall.
Lovely Moroccan lamps, the candles, and the lights. Everything was so beautiful.
I was really surprised to see the way the hall was decked up. I never felt this was an early morning event.
Unlike the other Thursday, we saw some beautiful lighting,
and today it was completely different.
When I came to the BNI, I thought some wedding is happening, something really big.
It was a setup for a mega celebration.
The kind of ambience that I got in the beginning, completely, I have to use the word enthralled. I'm enthralled by the ambience.
I would want to congratulate him for coming in one of the top 25 CEOs.
Anything you want to do with corporate events, weddings, you want to create an experience out of the stand, that's there.